So, ang papasukin natin ngayon is the Tamaraw FX. Alright. Yeah. Kita nyo yung design ng Tamaraw. Yan. Meron tayong drop side here. This one is the aluminum van. And this one is the FX body. So, yung FX body pupuntahan natin right now. Right. Tara. Ayan ang FX body na Tamaraw. Right. Actually, na-miss ko yung FJ Cruiser. Kamukha niya to. May resemblance ng FJ Cruiser. Yan. So, this is the Tamaraw FX utility van. Yan. Pasok agad tayo. So, this is the second time na i-shoot ko tong Tamaraw. Right. Hilux Tamaraw. Hilux, of course, Hilux engine. Then, ito yung door handle niya. Very unique. Nasa side siya. Input ng key. Right? Okay. Then, so this is the interior. And this is the design of the door panel. Tayo maglagay ng door handle. And at the same time, pwede kayo maglagay ng file dito. Yan. Delivery receipt. And manual window adjust. Right. Door, pang open ng door, and this is the lock. So, ano ang design ng steering wheel natin, and this is the design, of course. Yan. Ganda. Then here is the aircon vent. Yan. Ganyan mo siya i-close. Alright, yan. Then ito yung classic adjustment ng light and the wiper. Yan. Right. So, dito naman is yung pang-open ng hood. Yan. Right. This is manual transmission. Okay, kita nyo yung tatlo, clutch, brake, and accelerator. Then here is, wala tayong visor at the passenger side. Pero dito sa driver side meron. Malapad actually Tingnan, look at my hand. Yan Ganyan kalapad yung visor niya. Rear view mirror. Then aircon vent here. Yan. Then segmented touch na stereo. Yan. Touch siya. Wala siyang buttons. Yan. Hold on. Right. So, ito yung design ng speedometer niya. Yan. Analog design. Yan. Kilometers per hour. This is the hazard button. Then, ayan yung design ng dashboard niya. Hilux na Hilux, Yan, ganda. Then, this one is... Wait. Ito yung adjustment ng aircon niya. Rotary siya. Meron tayong low, high, ayan, hanggang 1, 2, 3, 4. Hanggang level 4 ng air blower fan. Then, temperature. Ito, abang na buttons. Gusto nyo maglagay na mas maraming headlights. Then, this one is the cup holder. So, manual transmission to, of course. Ito yung shift knob. Right? Hindi lang nakabit yung knob. Then, handbrake natin here. And, synthetic leather to, This is synthetic leather. Nice. So, meron tayong cabin light here. Ang function niya is off and on. Yan. So, let's just check here sa passenger. Oh, by the way, meron tayong power supply here, Pwede kayo mag-charge ng phone. Pwede nyo ilapag here. Yan. Open to, Yan. So, hindi siya nasasara. Opening lang siya. Pwede kayo maglagay ng files and magpatong here. May Toyota tayong engraving dyan. Then, ayan ang design. So, manual window adjust. Of course. Yan. Okay. Tara, punta tayo sa cabin sa likod. So ito na, papunta na tayo here sa likod niya. So ayan. May mga window na pwede mong i-open actually. Then here meron tayong step board. Says here Tamaraw, the opening here. So this Tamaraw is dual aircon. As you can see, that's the aircon. That's the aircon vent. Then ito foldable seats. This is side. Yan. Ang luwag niya actually. Kung nandito kayo personally, napakaluwag niya. Yan. So dual aircon to Ayun, maganda, may aircon here also. Yan. Very ideal for passenger use. Then may hawakan ka dito. Yan. So dito sa Tamaraw utility van is steel rim ang gulong natin. So ano nga bang size nito? Let me take a look. So ang size nito is 14. Steel rim 14. So nandito ang gas. At the left side, driver side. So ito yung front niya, balikan lang natin. Then ito, dinesign daw to na maging segmented to mga bumpers. So each time na magkakaroon ng damage, hindi isang buo ang papalitan mo. Alright? So yan isang binibida namin about this, the Tamaraw. Then when it comes dun sa mga competitor nito, mapapansin nyo, of course may bumper to. So ano bang naging purpose niyan? Para sa easy access for any engine. Kung may aayusin kayo sa engine, mas madali nyo ma-access versus dun sa mga design ng FX body na flat bumper. Yan. So, very ideal in the future kung masisiraan man kayo. Yan. So yan ang design niya. Passenger / utility. Ganda. So ito naman is what? Plastic, hard plastic. Also hard plastic here. The Toyota name. The grills. Plastic. So signal light. So sneak peek ko lang din tong Tamaraw natin na drop side. Yan yung design ng drop side niya. So this one is automatic transmission. Then this is the design of the step board. Nice. So, this is the automatic version. Since magkatabi na sila, sinabay ko na to. Ito yung tsura ng shift knob niya. Yan. This is automatic. And this one is meron siyang yellow accent at the aircon vent. Yan. As you can see. This one at the side. Also here sa door handle. So, this is the automatic version of the Tamaraw drop side. Yan. Right. So yeah. Yan. Ito yung utility van natin. Then the other one is the drop side. So yan, tawagan nyo lang ako anytime kung ano yung prefer nyong design ng Tamaraw. Yan, oh. Then meron kami trade-in dito Any brand tinatanggap namin. All brands. So, advice lang kayo kung meron kayo gusto ipa-trade in. Pero very ideal dadalhin natin yung vehicle nyo dito para ma-actual appraisal siya. Alright? So guys, madalas hindi ko na nilalagay muna yung price dito kasi anytime may tendency kasi mag-price increase Chat nyo lang ako, huwag kayo maya anytime. Meron akong Viber or WhatsApp, Facebook, yan. Okay, tawagan nyo ako. Alright. Sige. Alright, bye.